Hi, fluent readers. I would like you to read this story, How Beaver Got His Flat Tail. Go ahead and read that, pause this video and read that story now. Now that you have read the story, I want you to look at the bottom of your page, and it says circle 5 long A words in the story. And it also says, how did the title of the tale help you figure out what it would be about? Were you right? So this story is in your My Word Study book. So make sure that you are looking at that. When you have your book, go back through and circle 5 long A words that you find. I'll circle one of them. The word tail is a long A word. Find the other 5 in this story. After you have circled those words, I'm going to have you answer a couple of questions. You can use the bottom of this, the space on the bottom of your journal, or you can use your word study notebook. The first question is this. Why was Beaver so proud of his tail at the beginning of the story? How did he feel about it at the end? Find sentences to support your answer. Go ahead and highlight them in your word study notebook. Here's your next question. How did the feelings of the other animals about Beaver change? Why is that?